I'm John Cristani, and in the next 45 seconds, I'm going to show you how I've been able to earn over $14,000 this weekend while I'm here at a music festival without even touching a computer, completely online. Now, the fact of the matter is, you've been lied to. You've been lied to your entire life by the government-controlled education system and the corporate-controlled media conglomerates. And they've been telling you that the way up is working a job. How's your job working out for you is what I ask. How likely is it that your job is ever going to be able to create for you the freedom, financially or time-wise, that you deserve? I've been able to live a life I love. I've been able to enjoy sunsets, spend time with my family, friends, go to music festivals, enjoy my favorite musicians, sick concerts, travel the world, ski, kite surf, paddleboard, all over. Because I have my time in my own hands, and what I'm going to show you in this free training is how you can do this too. Is how you can take control of your life and build a side income that supports you to do anything that you want. I've been able to do it without a product to sell, without employees to manage, without clients to have to do meetings with or phone calls with. Now, I'm going to show you how you can do this too, and how thousands of my students have actually made this happen for themselves.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
One of the best teachers there are.
He has your best interests in mind.
And I look forward, again, you can register for this training in the top right corner. There's a link if you're on mobile, in the bottom left if you're on desktop computer. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.